Here's how the AI adoption coach runs, start to finish, in the same cockpit the team uses every day. I'll walk a real one, from adding the client to the finished deliverable in their hands. Watch what Sophia does and watch the places a human has to think. First, a human does the one thing only a human can. Tell the system who we're working with. Name, a line about the org, add, no CRM setup, no scaffolding. Then pick the play. It opens in scoping on purpose so nobody builds anything before the price and the purchase order are confirmed on the call. Here's a AI adoption coach engagement already underway. The moment you press start, Sophia instantiates the entire runway, every phase and every step in order with the real instructions. That used to be a consultant's day of building a project plan. A human works the steps in order. Each has the real instructions right there. Do the work, mark it done. The progress is honest. It only moves when the work is finished. Everything the work relies on goes in the evidence locker, and each item gets an ID. A human captures it. Hold that thought. It's the rule that makes the next part safe. Here's where Sophia does the real work. She drafts the monthly coaching report, but only from the evidence we filed. A claim with no evidence behind it never makes it in. Numbers we don't have stay blank. Savings are shown as ranges, never a made-up figure. And it lands in review, never straight to the client. Before anyone can sign it, Sophia reviews her own draft against the evidence in the play's quality bar. Here she's raised concerns, a risk tier stated too strongly, a savings figure the evidence doesn't support yet, a missing owner. This is internal. The client never sees it, and it's a hard gate. The approve button stays locked until this review exists. You cannot ship something Sophia hasn't checked. A human reads Sophia's notes, fixes what needs fixing, and signs. Your name goes on the review record. We never tell a client a report is AI generated. The operator who approves it is the author, and they stand behind it. Approved, so now we deliver, and only now does it become visible to the client on their private portal link. And this is what the client opens. Only what we've approved and delivered. Nothing internal ever leaks. That's the full AI adoption coach play, run from an empty screen. Sophia does the labor, the judgment, and the signature stay human. And the honesty bar is enforced at every step. Now you can run one. And this is how you run more than one at a time. The portfolio puts every active engagement against its SLA and its budget. What's due this week, what's at risk, and whether we're on track. The whole book on one screen. And the metrics are the proof. SLA adherence, on-time delivery, cycle time, budget variance, the numbers that show a client we execute and that we're worth what we charge. Nothing is invented. Every figure is computed from the work itself. That's the whole operation. Now you can run one.